In this video, you'll learn how to log into Wecasa. By following these steps, you will gain access to your Wecasa account quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the Wecasa login page URL and press enter. This action will direct you to the login interface where you can enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields labeled email and password. Start by clicking on the email address associated, type in the email address associated with your Wecasa account. After entering your email, click on the password field and proceed to input your password. With both fields filled out, locate the button labeled login and click it. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Wecasa dashboard, confirming a successful login. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a social media account, you can choose to log in with Facebook or Google. To do this, find the buttons that say sign in with Facebook or sign in with Google and click on your preferred option. After clicking one of these buttons, a prompt will appear asking you to select your account, choose the appropriate account that you wish to use for logging in. Following this, a request will be made for you to allow Wecasa access to your account. Once you have completed these steps, you should be successfully logged into your Wecasa account. If you encounter any issues, ensure that you're entering the connection is stable and that you are entering the correct login information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.